Welcome back to the channel Hard Used Info. In this video I'm going to show you how to change Gemini Voice on your device. So let's get started. First of all, you want to open Gemini application, and now in the upper left corner of your screen you want to tap those two lines, which is menu, and now let's tap gear icon, which is settings. Now let's scroll down and press settings section, and here let's open Gemini's voice. So you will see a list of voices. You can tap on the voice and hear that voice, and if you like that, then you want to simply press confirm button. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and I will see you in the next one.